I've been part of the Akeneo family indirectly for many years. It's always a great event for partnerships and just being kept abreast of all things e-commerce and product experience.
There were a lot of inspiring examples that were provided of customers of Akeneo, how important it is for them to have their data in order to take their AI initiatives to the next level. So I love the customer examples that I could hear this morning.
It was pretty fascinating to hear from the keynote speakers, all three of them this morning, about the rise of agentic AI and the incredible power this is going to have to disrupt not only my day-to-day working life, as I already knew about, but also my shopping experiences and those for my clients and customers as well. I think what comes to mind that's been inspiring about this event so far is just how quickly the pace of change is accelerating, and that we don't really have any options to sit back on the sidelines and wait for things to happen. We've got to experiment and be moving forward very quickly.